Welcome to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your Alaska Airlines account, and it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, just hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos just like this. Alright, let's get into the video. The first step is you want to search for Alaska Airlines Login just like this, and after you search for it, the first option where it says AlaskaAir.com, you want to click on it. That is the official URL for Alaska Airlines website. Now once you're in this website, it's going to straight up bring you to its login page. Over here where it says user ID or mileage plan number, you can enter whichever thing you like. Alright, let's say I want to enter my mileage plan number. I entered that, and where it says password, I enter the password of my account and you enter your password. Once you do that, click on sign in and you should be able to log in into your Alaska Airlines account. It's that simple. And if you forgot your user ID or password, you can see these two options. You can click on these two to recover them as well. But as long as the username and password you entered over here is correct, you should be able to log in into your Alaska Airlines account. So that's how you guys can do it. Hit that subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.